Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We are from Group 5 and we will present about iOS mobile operating system. Before going to the material, we will introduce ourselves first. My name is Rafif Irfan Lubis.
And my name is Indi Zahara Matilda.
And one more is Muhammad Sultan Mubarak. Next.
This is what is operating system. Operating system is the most important software that runs on a computer. It manages the computer, memory, and process, as well as all of the software and hardware. It also allows us to communicate with the computer without knowing how to speak the computer language. Without an operating system, computers are useless. This is the type of operating system. There are various types of operating system include the first, DOS operating system, Windows operating system, Linux OS, Mac OS, Unix operating system. And next, this is the mobile operating system. Mobile operating system are often referred to as mobile OS is an operating system that is used to manage hardware, work system, or application on mobile device. Actually, the mobile operating system is similar to the operating system used on a computer or laptop. It's just the mobile operating system made even simpler because it is used on mobile phone, tablet, and other. And for example, we can see this figure. Mobile operating system have 5 types. The first is iOS and Windows Phone, Android, Java, Me, Symbian. And next, type of mobile operating system. Android iOS, terus ada iOS mobile operating system, Windows mobile operating system, BlackBerry OS, Mac OS, Bada, Harmony mobile operating system, and OS Palm OS, and the last Web OS. Next, Raffi.
Component of mobile operating system. First, kernel, process execution, interpret, memory management, multitask, mobile security, and user interface. Function of mobile operating system. The function of mobile operating system is to connect the hardware with the user. In addition, it is mobile operating system that regulates so that an installed application can run properly and run application software such as data processing programs that can be used to facilitate human activities that can be designed by themselves. iOS mobile operating system. iOS mobile operating system is mobile operating system created and developed by Apple Inc. Specifically for hardware. It is the operating system that currently power many of the company mobile device, including the iPhone and iPod Touch. It also support iPad before the introduction of iPad OS in 2019. Type iOS. Over time, iOS has evolved for the better by updating the type for iOS so that iOS users are made easier with the feature that iOS has provided. The iOS type start from iOS 1, which was released in 2007, and the latest version is released in 2020, namely iOS 14. Architecture iOS. The iOS architecture is layered. It contains an intermediate layer between the application and the hardware, so they do not communicate directly. The lower layers in iOS provide the basic service, and the higher layers provide that use interface and sophisticated graphics. Display of iOS. The display is a key part of the great user experience on iOS device. User interact with the display surface and see the result after an application react to this touch and update the display image. Apple continues to improve the display hardware with software pipeline the the drivers with the display. So understanding the display character is often a critical part of creating a great user experience. Feature iOS. First, we have Touch ID. You can see Touch ID to unlock iPhone. Simply press the Touch ID sensor using the finger registered with Touch ID. In addition to your Apple ID password, Touch ID can also be used to make purchase in the iTunes Store, Apple Store, and Apple Books. Next, Sandy.
Face ID. Face ID is designed to work with glasses and contacts. Face ID works best when our iPhone is roughly armed like our closer than until 20 inch from our face. And the next is Siri. Siri is a smart personal assistant that helps us get things done simply by ordering them. With Siri, we can use our voice to send message, schedule meetings, call, and more. But Siri is not like conventional voice recognition software that requires us to remember keywords and mention certain commands. Siri understands how to talk to us as usual, and Siri asks you something if it needs more information to complete the task. Assistive touch. Assistive touch is a convenient tool for controlling various parameters on your phone using gesture shortcuts. So with just a small circular icon on our phone screen, we can manage all kinds of process in a very simple way. The conclusion is a mobile operating system is software that runs on mobile device. It makes it possible for apps to run on mobile phone or something like that. Some types of mobile operating system include iOS, Android 9, Microsoft Windows Mobile Operating System, formerly known as phone is a mobile operating system that only runs on iPhone device like iPhone iPod, iPad Touch, iOS has its own personal assistant, Siri, and allows communication between Apple devices via AirDrops. Mac OS X is the operating system for Apple desktop and laptop computers. Apple iOS is based on this. We can conclude that all operating systems have their respective advantage and disadvantage. Next, Raffi.
Suggestion. Overall, after doing some searching and reading for all this paper to happiness, we would like to give reader some suggestion that might be useful. First, for all the people who want to find more about iOS mobile operating system, you guys can go googling on the internet. Our suggestion is to use this method to sort the string if you want to find out about the iOS. Second, if you are using iOS the previous season, we highly recommend you to update the iOS into new version or higher because of the feature high speed because of the new feature high speed operating system, and it support new updates from almost every application you might use. Third, to be simple in daily use, you can use assistive touch to adjust lock your screen, volume, use multi-finger gesture, restart your device, or replace pressing button with just a tap. So many presentation from us. If there is something wrong, we apologize and thank you.
For listening.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.